everyone. My name is Catherine Thompson. I am a mother of 5 children. The career I am pursuing after graduation is a child life specialist. Work for a child life specialist changes daily and allows for a lot of creativity in developing coping plans. This comes in handy especially for children in hospital settings where the environment is unfamiliar and can be stressful. Child life specialists are different from many other healthcare providers as they focus on the psychosocial needs of the patient, including mental, emotional, and social needs. A child life specialist has a variety of job descriptions, anywhere from advocating for the child to providing the children and the family with coping strategies, helping them understand procedures, making them feel comfortable, inviting questions and different tactics for coping and being comfortable in their environment as children. The educational requirements are a bachelor's degree in child life studies or related fields such as child development, child and family studies, psychology, or early childhood education. There is an association of child life professionals that allows for certification after a 600-hour child life specialist internship, and to get into these very rare internships, previous work experience with children is appreciated. I am shooting for a degree in marriage and family studies. I chose this degree to maximize my options because it allows me to have the option of continuing on to graduate school if I decide to in the future. This degree will allow me to acquire knowledge, skills, and better perspectives to help others and to care for them. I'll be able to acquire strategies to manage challenges of life in an effective and responsible way. This program prepares graduates for careers including community outreach, social work counselor, and family policy analyst. And this degree will also allow me to